Okay, this is week 3, lecture 1. This is the guinea pig edition of job skills. Text on. Hello everyone, this is Mr. Carlston's DSPS Work Attitudes and Employer Expectations, Week 3, Lecture 1. This is more work attitudes that we're talking about this week and a few more exercises, all right? So let's review what we know already. In our last lecture, we talked about having a good attitude. A person with a good attitude focuses on the positive in situations, and even though things may get hard, he or she always sees the benefit as opposed to the negative, right? People with good attitudes are also dependable. Being dependable means that your boss can count on you, meaning you show up for work every day, and when break is done at 12:30, you show up at your station at 12:30 p.m., not 12:35 or later, okay? People with a good attitude are dependable and, most importantly, have a good work ethic. People with a good work ethic always try their best, right? So, more work attitudes in this section. This is on page 4 of your textbook, okay? A big problem that many workers have is getting along with bosses and coworkers. Learning to have a good relationship with others will help you succeed on the job and in life. To get along with others, you need to be cooperative. And what does that mean? Cooperative means helping new coworkers how to do their job. They help people, okay? It also means doing your share of the work. Do not leave it for others to do it for you, okay? Being cooperative also means not cutting corners and hoping that someone else does it. If things are not done right the first time, it must be done again, and that takes more time. All right? Cooperative or being cooperative means to be considerate. Do not make messes for others to clean up. Be willing to compromise. All right? And most importantly, being cooperative means showing respect for everyone, even if they criticize how bad you're doing your job. If they did not care about you, they would say nothing. But because they want you to be better and care about you as a team member, your coworkers and boss will take the time to make sure you become a better worker or a better person. Right? Compromise. What does it mean to compromise? Compromise means that each person gives in a little. This is not a matter of you or the other person winning or losing. What is most important is making sure the two of you or the team gets along to succeed. If you know how to compromise, you can avoid arguments with your coworkers and bosses. Now, what does that mean? It does not mean, it means that you do not complain all the time. No one wants to hear somebody listen to you or someone complain or gripe all day. When someone complains all day, it makes the workplace uncomfortable for everyone. Okay? Next, do not gossip around your fellow coworkers or boss. If your boss criticizes you, learn to take it calmly. You're not always going to be perfect or do everything right. So learn from your mistakes. Right? There's two different things there. Do not gossip. And if your boss criticizes you, take it calmly. Never argue or talk back to your boss or coworkers. Why wouldn't you do that? Because it makes things uncomfortable, right? It is all right to make mistakes at work, but it is not all right to keep making the same mistakes over and over again. And I'll give you 2 examples. These are bad examples. This is an example of uh-oh. All right? Bill works in a warehouse where he is responsible for stacking boxes on shelves. Every box has its proper place. Sometimes these boxes need to go high on a shelf, so Bill must use the big ladder. The ladder is so big See, right here, it's a big ladder. That when it is used, it blocks the hallway. Part of Bill's responsibility is to make sure that when he's done using the ladder, he puts it away so people can walk through the hallway. The first time he used the ladder, he forgot to put the ladder away, and his boss kindly told him not to forget to put the ladder away. Bill said he understood. Today, Bill had to use the ladder again, and again he forgot to put the ladder away. But what made it worse was that the ladder blocked the entrance to the restrooms, so customers were complaining that they could not use the bathroom because there was a ladder blocking the way. Bill's boss was not happy because this is the 4th time that Bill forgot to put the ladder away. It's okay to make a mistake, but you can't do it all the time. So this is the 4th time that Bill forgot to put the ladder away. And every time, it blocks the hallway. Obviously, Bill's boss was not happy. Okay, here's another example. Melissa started working at Target as a cashier. She learned through training that every time you work as a cashier, you must remember your employee number to log into the cash register. So here's the cash register. Every time you use it, you got to use your employee number to log in. It was difficult for Melissa to remember her employee number, so she kept it written on a piece of paper and kept it in her pocket. On the first day of working as a cashier, she forgot her employee number to log into the cash register. Her boss reminded her that to do her job, she must remember her employee number. Remember it. It was not acceptable because without knowing her employee number, she cannot do her job. Melissa said she understood. So for Melissa to do this job, she must remember. She has to remember. She cannot write it down. She just cannot forget her employee number. Well, listen. The next day, Melissa wrote her number down again on a piece of paper and kept it in her pocket. She went to work the following day and realized she was wearing the wrong pants. The pants she had did not have the piece of paper she needed in it. So, once again, her boss was not happy, and neither was her team of cashiers because they had to pick up the slack of customers that Melissa could have helped. Whether she writes it on a piece of paper or not, either way, it is Melissa's responsibility to remember her employee number. If she forgets it or does not have it, she will get in big trouble and get busted because she needs it to do her job. And if she cannot do her job, then she cannot be a good team member. What is the point of her working if she cannot do her job? And remember, all she has to do is just remember her employee number. That's all she has to do. What do you think will happen? So this is your homework and assignments for this section. The entire lecture is from page 3 and 4 of your textbook, Work Attitudes and Employee Expectations. You should have gotten this textbook in an email from me. If you did not, let me know. After this lecture, leave your name at the bottom so I know that you've watched it. Take the quiz, Getting Along with Others and Compromising at Work. That's it. Watch for, the next lecture. Now, I want to see if I could show you, hang on. I'll show you guys really quick. This is on the Canvas page for our course. This is the homework and assignments for week 3, April 28th, April 27th. Here's the quiz, getting along with others, and compromising at work. Okay. All right, here is the quiz. All right, here are the instructions. And question 1. If your boss criticizes you, learn to take it what? Calmly, with anger, as a joke, sarcastically. Question 2. No one wants to listen to you what? complain all day, talk about yourself, constant sneeze, or burp. Okay. Question 3, you have to write the definition of what it means to compromise. Question 4, list 5 ways you can get along with coworkers and your boss. Okay. And then question 5, what do you think will happen to Melissa who keeps forgetting her work number? All right. And that's it. And then click submit quiz. All right. So again, this is the quiz. Only 5 questions. If you did not get the textbook, make sure you email me at kyago@noce.edu, or you can call me at 657-334. I believe it's 85. Hang on. 6528. Again, that's 714-657-334-6528. All right, you guys take care, and I'll talk to you on Thursday.